Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is also a version 193 feature. So there's such an indicator for the scene list. So, okay, here are a lot of objects, and you can use here in the shading menu different shading types here, and also the object ID. So you see different colors here and the instance ID. These two things here work with the indicator. So at the moment, lit PBR is active, and here you see in the hierarchy nothing. So from this, and when you change here the the shading mode to object ID, then here you find in the hierarchy such small colored indicators where um, they are linked to the colors of the objects. So it's um, it's easier to find something. Yeah, it's only a small thing, but a nice feature, I think. So that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.